Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Dogecoin, wanted to do a bit of an update. I mean, yesterday I covered this and then I said, which I was wrong about. What I said is that, Dogecoin was, I thought it was most likely we would be able to hold 10.5 cents. Historically, that's been a very, very strong support level, maybe down to 10 cents, I thought, but what we had is an absolute dump, all right? I mean, Dogecoin right now, since the 7th of June, so in the last month, we're down about 43%, which is absolutely crazy. Almost makes you think we are back into a bear market. But even in a bear market, there are opportunities. All right, so I wanted to do a full update on Dogecoin after I was wrong yesterday. I never told you to buy from this level, all right? So no one should have lost money on that. I also explicitly said that in this video. Or in that video, and this video as well. All right, we are nearing a major support level right here at 9 and 8.5 cents. I think we'll be able to find some support there, at least at the bigger area, right? So if you really go all the way down, it's between 9 and 7.5 cents, this support level. It seems unlikely to me that we'll drop down below that level, but it is a possibility. All right, and it being unlikely that we'll drop down below that level doesn't mean that we will be bullish from that level, all right? Because I do think if you specifically look at Dogecoin, this is bearish, all right? Like, this is a chart on the 3-day time frame. If you go to the daily, you can see the EMAs have fully shifted. We were able to consolidate for a little bit on top of 12 cents and on top of 13.8 cents right here. But that was about it, all right? We have now significantly dropped down. I think Bitcoin actually also turned bearish here, at least technically. Bitcoin is obviously still holding on much better, and Bitcoin is still at the same levels as the 20th of February, while Dogecoin is getting, well, no, Dogecoin is at those levels as well, but Dogecoin did not do much from November to February. So we're dropping down, all right? If you look at Dogecoin right now, if you look at the order flow, what you will see, and this is kind of a common theme throughout the markets, is that we are, like, the momentum for Dogecoin was very, very low. You can see that quite a few short orders have been opened tonight, but also, or earlier this night, but also yesterday, throughout the day, a lot of short orders were being opened. So what I do think is a possibility is that at some point of time, we'll do a bigger short squeeze, all right? So the moment we actually find some sort of a decent foundation, a decent support, which for now, I would say this level between 8.5 and 8 cents has a good chance to be that. That also lines up with a very strong support for Bitcoin between 50 and 52,000. But we'll still have to see, all right? The only way, like, for now, it seems most likely we're dropping down into that level. And then the only way we can know that this is the support is if we actually get a confirmation from there. And at this point of time, we cannot know that, all right? From that level, if we drop down to 8 or 8.5 cents, for example, which for now, like I said, I would say is the most likely support level, we would need to break back above 9 cents for there to be confirmation that that's the bottom, at least the local bottom. And then if we actually find support there, break above 9 cents, then we can look at, and we already looked at this yesterday briefly, but then we can look at the liquidity. And we can say, well, there's a ton of liquidity all the way between 10.5 cents up to 12 cents. We can actually spike up. Turning bullish, I don't expect in the short term. But getting a spike up is a possibility. But that's something we'll have to see. If from 8.5 cents, we do not find any bullish reclaim, then we'll just consolidate down there. But those are my thoughts for now. All right, so if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.